Our next one, which is Professional Service Provider of the Year from RICS, I'd like to call up Artur Vinitsky to hand out this award. Artur, please come join us on stage to hand out this award.
And on the shortlist we have Build Green, CPL Jobs, Chapman Tyler, Go for Energy, JVA Polska, Loredo, RES Online, Real Assets, and Share Space.
Artur Vinitsky from RICS, no, to help us hand out this award? Jim Foley. Jim, welcome to the stage, Jim. I want you to hand out an award because you were late, and you're with this beautiful blonde woman here, and I want to embarrass you. So welcome.
Are you joining us?
Yeah, that's perfect. I don't know, someone didn't come. So,
Professional Service Provider, GBA Polish.
GBA.
See, it's not bad to come late. Yeah, you're like a star. Don't look so sad.
Dear all the clients and friends, thank you very much for the award. It's great to be here again. Thank you.
There is probably no place.
So do you want us to stand here for pictures, or what's good for you? Maybe come next to us.